Hey guys, good morning. Today I am gonna try to do Sitton Peak in Orange County. This is the 74 highway, Ortega Highway. This is supposed to be a hike that takes 4 hours, so it seems to be pretty easy. Just so you know, you need a display. This is the parking lot. You have a lot of room. It's 7 in the morning already, a lot of people. You need a display. It's $5. You need a forest adventure pass. It's $5 to get it, so it's pretty cheap. And the trailhead is gonna be on the other side of the street. You have a candy store right next to it where you can buy those passes, but they open at 8 o'clock. I didn't want to wait 8 o'clock, so I got it at Big 5 2 days ago. And let's go. It's the first time I do this hike, and let's see what happens. This is the candy store, and the trailhead is right over there. Bear Canyon trailhead. This is what we're gonna follow to go to Sitton Peak. So at the entrance of the trail, we must actually sign in, I believe. Yeah, so I'm gonna sign in. This is December 26th. It's actually way colder than what I expected. So still a lot of noise because of the highway. This is the parking lot right over there. This is the candy store. We came this way and we basically started going up the hill. So far it's mainly chaparral vegetation. So far trail extremely well marked, super easy to follow. Since the entrance of the trail, there's no way to get lost. It's the only one to follow, and this is what we get so far. It's again mainly chaparral, so not a lot of trees, but it's really nice. We can see the sun kind of rising on the hills. I guess in summer I would be very careful with rattlesnakes, but this is winter, so we should be okay. Still following, so this part of the trail seems to be going way, it's more like some oaks, some groves, some trees, so we do get out of the chaparral a little bit. It's different. What does it say? There's some kind of a sign over there. Let me check very quick. Oh, San Mateo Canyon Wilderness. Oh, probably some kind of a bird over there. And this is a creek, seasonal obviously, but you can see some oaks. It's actually really nice. I wasn't expecting to find anything like this over there. It's so dry, right in the middle of the hills. You have a beautiful oak, very nice. Yeah, so you do have some oak groves along the trail. Oh, look at this. Yeah, some tree, nice. It is cold though. I was not expecting it to be so cold. My hands are freezing. So this is the first fork I find in a trail, but it's actually marked. It's actually pretty easy. This one says Morgan Trail, and this one says, let me show you, Sitton Peak. And I apologize if this is not how you say it. 4 corners, 2.2, so it's about 4 miles, I suppose. Maybe an hour, I don't know. But so far the trail is very easy. It's not going up. It's very well marked and really nice. So we'll keep going. I guess we're gonna get out of the oak groves and see what's next. I hope I can get in the sun because my hands are really freezing. It's really cold. Okay, so after this one fork, no way to get lost. The trail is still super well marked. Very easy to follow. Oh, some black sage. You do have some boulders along the way. It's nice. The sun is finally coming out. Excellent. And I'm sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath. The path is pretty easy. It's very easy, very straightforward. It does go up a little bit, but it's really nothing super hard. And it's nice. It's feeling like I'm alone. I love it. Can't wait to see the views. I'm gonna keep going. If you come in summer, watch out, no shade. As you can see, it's only chaparral mainly. You have a little bit of oaks at the bottom of the canyon, but it's mainly chaparral, no shade, no trees, nothing. Okay, let's keep going. So far, very nice walk, very nice hike, beautiful. I love it. So going down the hill, it's amazing. We make it in amazing, beautiful oak groves. Beautiful. It's amazing in the middle of the hills. It never rains, and yet we have so much wildlife, so much vegetation. It's beautiful. So we have another fork over there. This one says Bear Ridge. We were on Bear Canyon Trail, so we're coming from Bear Canyon, and Bear Canyon follows this way. So coming, we make a right. So I'm gonna follow Bear Canyon. It's beautiful. I was not expecting to find anything like this in the middle of the Cleveland forest. I knew they had some trees, but it never rained. It's so dry, and look at this. It's amazing. Beautiful. Wow. Okay, still going on Bear Canyon Trail. I hope I'm going the right way. I didn't see any marker since last time. Now this part of the trail is beautiful. Super shaded, a bunch of trees, a bunch of oaks. I was not expecting to find anything like this right in the middle of the Cleveland forest. I've always thought it was only chaparral and kind of dry, but look at this. Sorry about the sun. And it is so quiet. It's beautiful. It's amazing. So I did not see a lot of people. It really feels like I'm alone in the world right now, which is nice. I don't mind it. Okay, so right at the end of the Bear Canyon Trail, this is Four Corners. It says right on this marker. I thought I was going the wrong way. Yeah, Four Corners. I assume Sitton Peak is going to be one of those, I suppose. Or maybe the one, oh wow, it's probably the one in the background over there. Okay, this one, Verdugo Trail. That's not what it is. North Tanaha. Where is Sitton Peak? Oh, anyway, it's probably somewhere, so I'm gonna be looking around. And I'll let you know once. Still at Four Corners, I just saw it. So basically, this is Bear Canyon Trail where we just came in, and it's gonna be the right one when you come in. So we're coming this way. This one says Four Corner, and it's kind of hidden behind those bushes. There's a little oak tree, a mini, and a black sage. And this one says Sitton Peak, 1.7 miles. It's gonna be like 30 minutes. So basically, when you come from Bear Canyon Trail, it's gonna be the trail on your right, the first one on the right. And we're gonna start going up. So far, beautiful walk, beautiful hike, and it's actually pretty easy. I just wanted to mention one thing. I'm amazed at how many manzanilla trees are along that trail. I've never seen so many. Oh, and look at this view, by the way. We are almost there. But anyway, back to those trees. I've never seen so many. One, another one over there, and they're big, they're huge, beautiful. I've never seen so many. I see more ahead, more of those trees on the side. This is it. They're very easy to recognize. The wood is red and all bent and twisty, and they can actually be used, I believe, in tea, if I'm not mistaken. Could be wrong though, but I believe they were used by Native Americans. But anyway, I've never seen So many in such a small stretch of a trail. One more. Oh, it's crazy. Okay, almost there. The trail went up a little bit, not too hard. Next marker, we didn't have any fork since last corner. And it says over there, Sitton Peak, 0.9 miles. So, what, 20 minutes at most if I take pictures and if I go slow. So we see some cattle. It's probably, I suppose, to stock water or whatever. So anyway, after this last marker we've seen, I found this way to be a little confusing. There seems to be a path on the left, but keep going straight. It's the only place that I find confusing. The only fork in the trail after that last marker. And actually the trail is marked pretty well, so it's pretty hard to get lost, but this is the only way that kind of confused me a little bit. So when you keep going straight, you will reach another marker right over there. We're just gonna go up, and this will be the last stretch. I just want to mention that also the last part of the trail was actually going down, so it's super confusing because it gives us the impression that we're lost, but actually we are not. So okay, this is the last trail, and this will be it. I'm starting to see people. There is more people. The last part is pretty steep. It's not super long, but this is where we are going. Yeah, finally the last stretch of the trail. Oh, still those beautiful manzanilla trees. Anyway, yeah, so the last part of the trail is pretty steep. The trail is still very well marked, so really hard to get lost. And I'm gonna hurry up. I see someone with a red sweater ahead of me. I guess he or she is gonna beat me to the top. It's not a race, but it's actually nice to have someone to kind of follow. In a way, I like to be by myself, but I also like to see some people. It's weird. Okay, so this is the reward. They're making it to the top. And this is Orange County. Further away we can see Catalina Island. Beautiful view. I hope you guys can stop by and check out this trail. The last part of it is pretty steep, but it's definitely worth it. Some beautiful views. And this is Riverside County. We can see Big Bear all the way to Big Bear, and we can see, well, we cannot see, but Lake Elsinore is right behind those little hills. So anyway, thanks for watching this video. Leave a like, and I hope you can stop by and try out that trail.